In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this microphone at the top right corner. Then tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to, you can always stop it by pausing whatever you're saying, like that. Or you can click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!